guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a night routine, and this guy's probably thinking I'm a creep, but I'm currently at a red light, don't worry. I'm gonna do a night routine but vlog style. I've seen a few people do it like this and a lot of people seem to really love them, so I thought I would try one out. I like vlogging more than I like doing voiceovers, so thought I would try it out. But right now it is 3:27 p.m. and I got home from school a few minutes ago, but I'm turning right back around to go to one of my friends Alyssa's house to study and stuff like that. But I'm going to Blake's house. It's a green light now. I'm going to Blake's house first just so that we can drive together because it's kind of far away. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec because I don't want to be dangerous and vlog while I'm driving.
I don't understand any of this.
Hey Blake, what you doing?
The Delome letter. I'll tell you all about it.
What about it?
No idea.
Hey Andrew.
Hi, camera.
Do you want to see something cool?
Yeah, do you want me to say something or?
Yeah, look.
I see myself. That's cool. Stay in school, kids. That's all I can tell you. Wow, this is really good quality. Look at Emma. She looks really quality.
Yeah, always.
Okay.
Really quality.
It's just quality.
That's definitely a thing.
Hi guys, it is a little later. It is 8:05 p.m. and I just got back from studying at Alyssa's house. But yeah, I'm just making dinner right now. I'm making some ramen noodles for my brother. Actually, I already ate, but I'm making my little brother dinner. And I think I finished all my homework at Alyssa's house, but I think I'm just gonna chill and I don't know, maybe put on some pajamas and do some stuff before I watch a show, because This Is Us is on tonight. So Tuesday nights I always watch This Is Us and it comes back on tonight. It hasn't been on for a few weeks, so yeah. And I'm literally sitting in the same spot that I was before. I'm just watching Ava and Hannah's vlogs and they're so adorable and I literally am so jealous that they're in Hawaii, but it's really cute. And I look forward to the vlog, so if either of them are watching this, you're doing great. Try it.
It's probably hot.
I'm vlogging today.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi.
I hope it's good. It's probably really hot. Don't like burn your mouth.
I didn't even try it yet.
Is it hot? Alright, then just wait to try it. Tell me how it is, okay? Just don't burn yourself. Alright, so I'm just gonna sit here and edit a few videos. I don't have to, but I would love to get a video for you guys up tomorrow. So I filmed one I have like 2 videos actually that I want to get up. So I'm going to film no, I already filmed them. I'm gonna edit them right now. Just edit for a little bit and then check in with you guys in a bit. Just edited and uploaded my entire video. So I uploaded that and scheduled it to upload tomorrow, which is Wednesday, February 28th. So that'll be up tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You all have already seen it by the time that you're seeing this video. But yeah, I got a lot done. I'm really proud that I edited that and uploaded it. And I'm just really grinding. So I'm having some water. I'm going to go shower. And I think I'm going to do a little montage of like showering. Not me in the shower, but like, I don't know. I still think I'm dying of like the flu or something, but it's fine. It's just fine, you know, grind. Hey guys, so I partnered with Bianco Style to bring you this video, and now I'm just going to be showing you how I whiten my teeth naturally at night using their activated charcoal whitening powder. So just brush my toothbrush, or I dip my toothbrush in it and then brush my teeth like I would normally, and then just wash out my mouth. And I brushed my teeth for about 2 minutes, and then I just brushed my teeth normally using my everyday Colgate toothpaste. And then these are the final results, and obviously this is just after one night, but the more nights that you do it, the better and more clear the results become. Hi guys, it's a lot later now. It is 11:10 p.m. Wow, I didn't even realize it was that late. But I put in a little montage of me taking a shower, like the things I do in the shower, like, well, I don't know. And then just brushing my teeth, washing my face and stuff. But I ended up just watching an episode of This Is Us. It was really good. And I just love that show so much. So I'm probably sound different because I have my retainer in now. But I'm going to go to bed and I'm going to end this nighttime routine, vlog style here. I don't know. It's really just like another day in my life. And thank you again to Bianco Smile for partnering with me on this video. I have a coupon code for you guys that I'll put on the screen right here and down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.